How to hold anything in CS2 menu. So first, you just have to open your CS2. Make sure that this one is the updated version. So in order to hold anything here in CS2, first you have to go back to Steam and search for this how to give grenades to the menu agent. If you scroll down here, then you can see this information or overview on how to use this item. So we have HE Grenade, we have here Riot Shield, we have here Zeus, we have here Defuse Kit, and so on. So what you want to do is just simply copy this terrorist here. I mean below terrorist, you can just simply drag this one and then copy and go back to your CS2. Now, what you want to do is to look for console and then paste this one, what you've copied earlier. Okay, now, to apply this to your agent or to your character, what you want to do is, for example, if you want to use this riot shield, you just have to copy this one, paste it here under console. There's a box here, so paste. Now you have to change from this character, change to another character, and go back to your main or original character. And as you can see here, it has changed, or this character is holding different item on CS2. And another thing, you have to make sure also that you enable developer console. So go to settings and make sure that this one is set to yes. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.